ReeFlow 50 is an entry-level flow wrapper that is supported by Ossid here in the US. I call it a hybrid entry-level machine. So fully stainless steel, chain is offset so product falls into the belly pans. Belly pans are easy to be opened. The machine has motorized film unwind, which makes it easy to handle the most difficult films and running higher speeds. As well as the jaws have dual spring tension on each side of the jaw so that you can deal with thinner to thicker films at higher speeds. The ReeFlow 50 is a very versatile machine. You have the ability to wrap sandwiches with it, school kits, brownies, medical devices. There's really, the sky's the limit with the machine because it's so versatile. With this machine, you have the capability of wrapping product from 15 pieces a minute up to 180 pieces a minute. And that's special in this market because for the most part, entry-level machines max out at about 120 pieces per minute. But because of the design principles, the manufacturing, the servos that they use, bearings that they use, they're able to maximize the speed at 180 pieces a minute on this flow wrapper.